Intro. Have you ever felt like you're running on empty, searching for a source of peace and purpose, but finding yourself coming up short? Today, we're diving into a journey less spoken of, yet profoundly transformative. We're talking about the Rosary, and how this ancient practice could radically change your life in less than a month. Main content. Let's start at the beginning. What exactly is the Rosary? It's a form of prayer used primarily in the Catholic Church, a meditation on the life of Jesus Christ through the eyes of his mother, Mary. But don't click away just yet if that doesn't sound like your cup of tea. The beauty of the Rosary lies not only in its religious significance but in its power to center the mind, reduce anxiety, and foster a profound sense of peace. Imagine starting your day, not with a rush to check your emails or social media, but with a moment of calm and reflection. First point, the power of routine. Incorporating the Rosary into your daily life cultivates discipline and structure. It's about setting aside a specific time each day for reflection, which, believe it or not, can lead to increased productivity and a more organized life. Second point, the effect on the mind and body. Studies have shown that meditation can drastically reduce stress and improve concentration. The repetition of prayers in the Rosary acts much like a mantra, guiding your mind to a state of focus and peace. Now, how can you start this journey? Begin with just one decade a day. That's 10 Hail Marys, 1 Our Father, and 1 Glory Be. You'll find countless resources online to guide you, from the mysteries you'll meditate on to the prayers themselves. But who's got time for that, right? Here's where the magic happens: integration. Combine your Rosary time with your daily walk, or as a wind down before bedtime. Remember, it's less about religious obligation and more about spiritual growth and mindfulness. Let's hear some stories. Davy LL, a father of 2, found that saying the Rosary daily enhanced his patience and empathy, transforming his relationships with his family and friends. His Rosary never leaves his pocket anywhere he goes. Maria, a college student, credits the Rosary with helping her manage anxiety and improve her concentration during exams. Now, I want to hear from you. What changes are you seeking in your life? Could a simple, yet profound, practice like the Rosary be the key? Outro. As we wrap up, think about the possibility of transforming your life in less than a month. The Rosary, with its centuries-old legacy, is more than just beads and prayers. It's a pathway to peace, a guide to mindfulness, and a practice that millions find solace in every day. I encourage you to give it a try. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your life begins to change. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below with your thoughts or experiences with the Rosary. Your journey has just begun, and I can't wait to see where it leads you. Thank you for watching, and may peace find its way into your life.